Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Coin98 Wallet. First, let's go to coin98.com website. On this page, tap on Download App button. Here you can download the app. Choose the option based on your device. This process is pretty much straightforward, just like with every other app. Once installed, open the app. Okay, let's create Super Wallet. Check this box and tap on Continue. Here, tap on Create New Wallet. Let's set up PIN to our wallet. If you want, you can additionally enable Touch ID. Choose Hot Wallet. Here I will go with the first option. In this step, you will see a seed phrase to your wallet. Store it safely and don't share with anyone. Once ready, check all these boxes and tap on Create. Success. Now your wallet is ready to use. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.